Guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price, and I can already tell you it is looking amazing. As we predicted yesterday, the uptrend channel was able to bring us all the way up to our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and after I told you on Sunday already that we will see a bullish start into the next week if the daily and weekly candle closes above the $98,000. I mean, you can see how rapidly Bitcoin now shot up within the first 48 hours of this week actually, and now we need to prepare for a first correction potentially. And this is also why I jumped into a new short position, guys. I will tell you exactly what my plan is with this short, what the likelihood of this short succeeding is, and what an entry price could be for you in the upcoming 48 hours. Besides this, guys, a quick reminder, there was just the announcement 15 minutes ago that FTX Europe was acquired by Backpack Exchange from China or from Asia. And what this means is that every FTX EU European or FTX Europe client will be able to actually get their money back finally. And this is also why I opened a long on FTT yesterday. And you can see there was a big wick already when the news came out. I went already long yesterday, right? I want to be prepared before everyone else jumps in. This is not really a positive news for FTT. Keep this in mind. It is more a negative news for FTT, as FTT is not affected at all by this, right? FTT is still completely useless currently and might just be sold by liquidators to refund people their holdings. So we need to be 100% honest here. I will definitely take these $21,000 in profits that I made quickly with this FTT trade very, very soon, as there is absolutely no reason why FTT should be pumping right now. But you know the cryptocurrency markets, if a news like this comes out, there's almost always a reaction to the underlying token of FTX. So it was something where I just quickly made $20,000. I will close this trade after this video immediately and just take the $20,000 as additional risk capital for our current Bitcoin trades. As you know, I also told you yesterday already that I am opening this Bitcoin trade here live in my LeveX exclusive content. You can just go to the search bar at the top, type in my username CryptoMo and go to my profile, follow me completely for free, and then you will receive all of my updates like opening my trades, closing my trades, and so on. But now let's talk about what you need to keep an eye on, because right now, there's actually not all too bearish things happening in the market. If we're looking at the funding rates, you can see there is no significant increase at all. We are not seeing any dangerous high funding rates that would indicate that we have a massive extreme imbalance on the long side, on the perpetual, on the futures market for cryptocurrencies. So we don't need to expect the market makers to really hammer down the price or actually be in need to hammer down the price just because they cannot afford the risk of taking so many more long positions from the open market, right? So the market makers at some point will need to retrace the price if the funding rates get exponentially bullish, right? But this is not the case yet. The only thing that we are definitely seeing on the liquidation heat map is that we are starting, and this is definitely something that did not happen at the lower levels, at the below $100,000 levels. This is now only happening above the $100,000 levels again. We can see that we are starting to form much, much more liquidations on the short side, so pretty much on the long side, right? More people are definitely long. There's more long liquidations right now in the market immediately available. So there's definitely much more high leverage longs in the market right now than high leverage shorts. And this definitely is a first small warning sign that the market makers might pull back the price here, that we will see a correction, that the market is a little bit overhyped right now. So what am I keeping an eye on? It's pretty simple. For the next 48 hours, we reached again our top of our uptrend channel. We are exactly at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and the only thing that you really need to keep an eye on is the $101,200 level. If we are breaking the $101,200 level to the downside, we definitely need to get very, very careful, because this then shows that we are getting a rejection from the 0.618. This is the first danger sign that would definitely lead to a retest of the $100,000 level. And why is the $100,000 level so relevant? It is not only a psychological level, no, it is also a proven resistance. Over the last couple of days, we saw in a total 4 rejections from the approximate $100,000 level. And this means if this very relevant resistance is not turned into support now, and we actually fall to the $100,000 level where we don't not only have this psychological and proven resistance that now hopefully turned into support for the bulls, no, we also have our uptrend support of our uptrend channel. So we would have 2 bearish breaks at the same time while confirming a rejection from the 0.618, and this for me would definitely be a sign that we need to expect some more downwards momentum within the next 48 hours to 36 hours for Bitcoin, and this is why I'm positioning myself with a small short hedge position right now. Keep in mind, I have a HODL portfolio. I'm always massively long. So these short hedges are not bearish sentiments for the market for me. We just need to keep in mind that we definitely need to get above the 0.618, and we can only turn 100% super bull mode where we can expect this super aggressive parabolic run without any corrections in between, right? This we can definitely only expect as soon as Bitcoin breaks its all-time resistance, right? We are still below our 11-year resistance that has never been broken to the upside. So we will still, and this is also how I predicted the exact $108,000 level as our initial reversal price, right? This is how I predicted it, because we can already see here, we perfectly got rejected from the $108,000 level, which I told you in November already, which will be our local top where we need to expect the first big correction, $108,000. I told you already mid-November. So we definitely need to get above the $110,000 level before we can expect Bitcoin just going completely parabolic, reaching 140, 150, 160. And as long as this is not the case, we need to keep in mind that we have some strong resistances above us, and any small bearish sign could lead to a quick and steep sell-off, not to like $75,000, but into the area of the $90,000 again. And then I want to be prepared, right? Anyways, I will now take the $20,000 off my FTT trade. This is pretty much completely free risk capital that we can use for our short hedge. So even if this runs into the loss, guys, I already made the $20,000 quickly with the FTT trade that I opened yesterday. So yeah, in total, guys, we are not really risking any new capital here. We are only risking the profits that we made with FTT as the information for the FTX EU acquirement came out on cryptoticker.io. Also, guys, I wanted to give you a quick chance, as LeveX is currently running a big feedback campaign, guys. LeveX is running a big feedback campaign, and you can get actually randomly rewarded for just providing feedback on their design, guys. And this is something that is extremely interesting. The only thing you need to do is go ahead, take a look at the current design, and also take a look, and yes, it is not online anymore, but everyone that is partnered with LeveX, that is an affiliate with LeveX, or that is using LeveX, as myself, I'm using also LeveX, I'm sharing my content with you guys, so I have also the opportunity to let you guys know that you can take part in this feedback campaign. Just take a look at this video I made, Trade Bitcoin with 100x leverage risk-free. I will link it for you in the video description down below. You don't need to watch it to trade, to sign up with my affiliate link or anything like this. As you know, I don't have affiliate links anymore actually, I don't care. So just go watch this video, take a look at the design that LeveX had here. This is the old LeveX design, okay? Take a look at the old LeveX design in my tutorial, take a close look, how you like it, and then compare it to the new design that LeveX currently has, and then contact the customer support, yeah? Contact the customer support and let them know, I like the old design more, I like the new design more. This is all you have to do, and you will be rewarded with a small, free, long, short position for doing so. So make use of that. It's just a little bit of feedback, and I'm pretty happy that I can also offer you this small feedback campaign because it's absolutely for free and it just doesn't take a lot of time for you, right? You just go watch the video in the video description. You don't even need to watch it. You can just skip through it, take a look at the designs and so on, and then take a look I mean, you are probably anyways on LeveX to follow my free calls and everything like this. Take a look at the current design, contact the customer support and let them know which design you like more, and then you can actually get a reward. It is for everyone on the platform, so I'm just letting you know it's nothing that is only specifically for people that are signed up with my link or that are following me or something like this. It's for everyone, but I wanted to let you know because if some people get these free rewards, I think it should be my community. But now guys, we are going to see us in the next video. Keep an eye on the $101,200 level, and if we break that to the downside, take immediate care of your positions in the case that we break the 100,000, because we are then not only breaking this resistance and support level, no, we are also breaking out of our uptrend channel and we are confirming a rejection of the 0.618 with that. So let's just keep an eye on that. Besides this, happy trading guys. We're going to see us very soon. Tomorrow probably. Bye bye.